Tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can color grade your pictures in Photoshop just between 2 to 3 minutes with your gradient map, and you will have a perfect color grading. Just as you can see on my screen, this picture has already been retouched. Okay, so it is always advisable before you color grade your pictures, try and retouch your image in Photoshop. And this color grading will only work for people that are dark skinned and a little bit light skin. So this color grading will not work for people that are fully fair. Okay, so without much wasting of your time, the first thing I really want to do on my picture right now is to come down to your gradient, to your adjustment field here. You click on your gradient map. Right now, come down to your blending option, pick your soft light, and right now you double click on this gradient map color here, and there's this small stops color here that shows this stop. Click on it. Then your location right now will be on 0. Leave it at 0. Click on this color here, and then on your keyboard just type 851E05, and then you OK it. It comes at the end of this color here. There's also a small stop. Click on it. Then right now the location, leave it at 100. You should also click on this color here, and right now there's the number down here. Also on your keyboard just type C9A F 8 and B. You just OK it. Also OK this one. OK this one. As you can see, this was the before and this is the after, but my color grading right now is too much. So this color right now, I want to blend my color with the real one. So what I have to do now, right now I'm on my gradient map, just reduce. I want to take down my opacity down to 60. Okay, down to 60. So this was the before and this is the after. This was the before and this is the after. Just can see we have a perfect color grading within a few minutes. But there's a situation whereby you don't want this color grading to be on the whole skin, on the cloth, and also on other parts. So I just want this color grading to be on my skin and also on my face, and not on her black shades, neither on her hair here. So the next thing I really want to do now, on your keyboard, just invert this top by pressing Ctrl I. Okay, and then you pick your brush tool. Pick the normal brush tool. Opacity will be 100. Your flow will be 100. Your foreground color here, leave it at white, and your background color, leave it at black. So right now you just paint on the part that you want those colors to reflect. Just paint on the part of the skin that you want the color grading to reflect, and that is what I'm doing now. You just have to take your time and brush it very well. In my case, I don't want this video to be long. Okay, so I just want to fast chat everything so that this video will not be too long. Okay, so in your case, take time and do it very well. Just as you can see, I'm just trying to color grade the part that I want those color grading to reflect. And guys, if this is your first time of coming to my channel, please subscribe and also click on this subscribe and click on the notification, because I drop weekly videos. And also, this is a new channel that I just built, and the only way you can support me, guys, is for you to subscribe and click on the notification of this channel, so that this video and other of my videos will get to other creatives out there, because I drop weekly videos on this channel. Okay, so that's the only way you can just help me to support me, guys. As you can see, I'm trying to just make everything fast. Okay, this is just a simple and easy color grading that I stumbled upon, and I feel it will be helpful for you guys, so I cannot keep it to myself, so I decided to share it with you guys. Most of the time, this is what I've been using to color grade my picture within just few minutes. Then I will have a perfect color grading with dark skin and a little bit light skin models in my studio. It has been helpful for me, and I believe it will also be helpful for you as well. Okay, so guys, if you find this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel and also click on the notification. Just as you can see on my screen right now, this was the before, this is the after. This was the before and this is the after. Okay, we are having a perfect color grading just within few minutes. This is simple and easy step. I call it a tricks that I just stumbled upon, and I decided to share with you guys. Okay, this was the before and this is the after. So that is just how it is. That's just how it is. As simple as this, you have a perfect color grading within few minutes. You don't have to get You don't have to buy presets or loot from anyone, but with your gradient map you have a simple